Welcome to another Machine Monday. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you haven't been able to choose between robot brand A, robot brand B? So 2023 marked a global record of robot sales around the world. Currently on our shop floor, we've got a number of different robots. We've got a few cooker robots. We've got a number of Fanuc robots. In the past, we've delivered numerous Motorman and Yaskawa robots, as well as ABB robots. But one very important question that I'm grappling with is, how do you select the right robot? At the end of the day, it's an end effector that moves apart from point A to point B. Pretty much between the brands, they perform very similar tasks. So what is the criteria that you would use to select a robot? I know many of our existing customers have existing spares. They have technicians that are already familiar with the particular brand. But those are not technical reasons to choose a particular robot. And to be honest with you, I'm really struggling to differentiate between one and the other. From a machine builder's perspective, we basically choose a robot that our customer specs. But as a customer, how would you select between one brand or another? I'd really love to hear your opinion. Here's another Machine Monday.